measure that thing. All right, we gotta get a good punch and an indentation to get the drill bit to go into the post accurately and not walk around. Okay, we call this a pilot hole.
Yes.
We're gonna drill a small pilot hole.
Ready?
Yep. Probably sounds better than Imperial, but I think that's... Oh, I guess this... Gotta put this thing through the bottom bracket. How did and we lower it down a bit more. Why is it not going down? I needed it to go down further so this can go. Now I probably get a hammer.
And secure the bar bracket shell. And then we'll secure the upper part. And we'll be almost ready to crank.
Purchase as we can. Now basically it's just turning it.
Keep cranking.
You can use that one.
Now for the moment of truth.
Giant one.
The right way.
Yeah.
It's important to have your safety glasses on too, because there's going to be a lot of forces on this thing.
Didn't need it.
There's safety glasses at every station.
Oh, good.
It's already sounding. That is sounding good.
All right, success.
Is it going?
Yeah.
Hey.
That is a great sound. Gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, we have a stuck seatpost on its way up.
Unstuck.
Yay. Beautiful. Good work. Another nice frame saved for mankind.
We have to add to our hash marks here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice.
6, this would be number 7. Yay, thank you, RJ Bike Guy, for the original idea for a tool like this. The world owes you a beer or 100.
All their crumpled seat posts.
Yeah. There is that formerly stuck seat post, free and clear of that nice surly Pugsley frame. Oh, happy day.